So in this video, we'll show you how to do stake lighting. We're actually going to try to do it around this tree. One of the things about stake lighting is if the ground's hard, you may need a drill to drill it. We don't know if it is or not. So there is a couple different ones. You have these like this. These work okay. They do chew on the wires. You have the best clip ones, and they actually slide over the bulb and they work really well. But basically where you have your teeth right here, you're just going to take the socket and put into the wire of the two spots there. The wire is going to just go right in the middle of it, like so. And then all you're going to do is just turn it. And that holds it in perfect, like so. And then again, you're just going to sit there and put it in there and then turn it. And then just keep right on going. And this is how you can do the stake lighting. Stake lighting does work really well. It's a good thing to put around the sidewalk, the driveway. You can do it around trees. You can do it. It's just a neat thing that you can do with stake lighting. Again, the big thing with stake lighting probably is the side of how hard this ground is. So we're going to see if this tree is going to allow me. And so basically you're going to try to follow something. So I'm going to follow the inside of this here, and you're just going to keep them nice and snug. And you're just going to put these bad boys in. And you can see how I'm kind of going around that bush. That one's tight. And I'm just going to keep them going right in there like this. And that is how stake lighting is. It is definitely pretty simple. It's not hard. Obviously, we'd have to run a plug over here. We'd have to worry about an outlet. So if we were doing this with stake lighting, that with tree, then we would probably bring our extension cord that we were bringing here. We would jump in here before we jump over there, so we wouldn't have 2 or 3 different extension cords. That way it's one nice cord and we would be all done with it. The cool thing about removal of these are you just basically pull them right out and they come right out. So that's stake lighting. Stake lighting works great. If you're doing this in areas where the driveway are, I try to put them out about 6 inches to a foot off of the driveway. So that way if someone's turning around, they back off the driveway, they're not knocking out your stake lights. So I put them about a foot. Even on sidewalks, I'll put them off about 6 inches. So then that way, if they're shoveling snow, it's going to not hit the wire. And then the other thing is instead of putting them on the outside of the sidewalk, a lot of times I'll try to put them on the inside, so that way if there's any grass mowing. But if you did do it on the outside, you'd be able to come on the outside all the way along and go all the way to the end. So that is something that you can do with stake lighting. Stake lighting is definitely a great way to add more lights to your install. It also helps with giving you the top look and the bottom look. It helps bring that all together for stake lighting. So that's why I like stake lighting.